Right, I think it's going to wind up now. Here we go. And before it was rattling and banging and crashing. That's rinsing now. So it's pumping the water out. That's what that noise is. So it's reduced some of the weight and now it's going into spin. Now it was just shaking the whole house to bits. Oh, that's completely different. I think if I buy one more shock absorber, that'll completely be quiet. Oh, that's much better. That's really much better. Here we go, lining up. Now don't forget this had a new rubber put in, so it could be, that rubber might take a while to settle as well. But that is completely different, completely different. You couldn't hear yourself thinking here. No, no, that's 1,000 times better. 1,000 times better. As long as it doesn't fly to pieces now. No, that's fantastic. It's not even moving. Not even shaking. Superb. Go on. It's going to go back in time. Time machine. My God, you can hear yourself in here. They're not moving. The machine's not moving. Listen to that now after I put new shock absorber in it. I've fixed it, it's all sealed. Fixed the seal and everything. Listen to it. You remember now what it sounded like? You know, obviously you wouldn't. Oh, really nice.